I am going to be putting together this 1,000 piece puzzle, Wonder Woman. Let's get started. Open up the puzzle box. Empty out all the puzzle pieces. Have a poster. Puzzle will help me put the pieces and see them better. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate all my puzzle pieces. I'm going to put all the puzzle pieces that have the straight edges on this side. The non-edges I'll put on this side. I'm going to continue to separate the pieces, and when I come back, I will show my progress. I have finished separating my puzzle pieces. Now my puzzle pieces with the straight edges, I'm going to start putting these pieces together because this is going to make my puzzle frame. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back with my progress. I want to show my progress on my puzzle frame. This is what I have so far. When I come back, I will show the complete puzzle frame. I have completed my puzzle frame. So now I'm going to look at my puzzle box, and I see the top part of the puzzle, which is the blue and the white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull those pieces from my puzzle pile, the blue and white pieces, and I will be back. I have pulled the white and blue pieces from my puzzle pile. As you can see, I am going to start putting these pieces together, and I will be back with my progress. I have completed putting together all my lighter pieces with the blue and the white. You can see Wonder Woman at the top left and also on the right. So now I'm stuck. I do not know where these pieces belong. So I'm going to go to my puzzle box, and I'm going to pull out the pieces for Wonder Woman and the W. So I'm going to go to my puzzle pile, and I'm going to pull out all these pieces, and then I will come back. I finished pulling the pieces from my puzzle pile, and I realized this piece here that I had goes at the bottom, and then I had a couple of other pieces that I found, and you could just put them in. If you find pieces that you see, you could just put them in. So now I'm going to work on these pieces, and I will be back with my progress. I have completed the words Wonder Woman. So I'm going to work on the W, and I will be back with my progress. This is my progress. I almost completed the W. I have a few pieces missing, and now I'm stuck. So what I'm going to do now is go to my puzzle pile. I'm going to pull out some more puzzle pieces. I already started pulling out these red and orange pieces, so I'm going to pull those pieces, and I will be right back. These are the pieces that I pulled, the orange and red and beige and pink. I also pulled some pieces down here. It looks like it's part of a rope, and I did some more of the W. I'm going to start putting these pieces together, and I will come back with my progress. This is what I have completed so far. I put all the reds in, and then the rope at the bottom. Part of her face is missing. So I'm going to go to my puzzle pile and separate these puzzle pieces, and then I will come back. I wanted to show that I have separated the remaining puzzle pieces, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to work in sections, and I will come back with my progress. This is my progress. I'm almost done. I have these pieces left. I'm going to put these pieces in, and when I come back, I will show the complete puzzle. I have completed the Wonder Woman puzzle. If you like this puzzle, subscribe to my channel. I have more puzzles to show. Thank you for watching.